Hello there, aspiring healthcare professionals. Welcome back to our channel. If you're preparing for the OET exam and struggling with reading Part C, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll equip you with essential strategies to decode complex texts and master the art of referencing. By the end of this video, you'll be well prepared to excel in your OET reading Part C. So, let's get started. You know, OET reading Part C can be a real puzzle with its complex vocabulary and challenging questions. But here's the first tip. A few dropped marks don't matter, move on. Remember, getting a passing grade is your goal. Don't let challenging questions slow you down. And remember, if you're consistently performing well in Part A and Part B, achieving a high score in Part C becomes more manageable. You've got this. Now, let's talk about reading questions in order. It's a simple but effective strategy. The answers to the questions are usually in sequence within the text. If you can't find the answer to a question, look around the area where you found the answers to the preceding and succeeding questions. This can help you narrow down where the information might be. Information overload is a common pitfall in Part C. You can't read every detail in the passage. When you start reading, focus on understanding the text structure and main ideas. Underline or make notes about key information that relates to the main concepts. This will guide you to the right areas when you're looking for answers. Trust me, the questions will direct you to where you need to look based on the notes you've taken. And if you're unsure about an answer, make an educated guess and keep moving forward. The trickiest part, referencing. Many challenging questions in Part C revolve around referencing. Let's take an example. The patient was diagnosed with cancer in 2018. It has returned this year. What does it refer to? The answer is cancer. This technique, called referencing, saves the writer from repeating the same noun. Here's another example. Results of a recent study on this matter discovered that it was due to the shape of the tube. What does this refer to? It's patients finding a catheter to be uncomfortable. Practice spotting these referencing words and find the context they refer to. It's a game changer in the OET reading exam. In our upcoming video, we'll have a dedicated practice section for OET reading Part C. Join us and put these strategies to the test. Enhance your knowledge and boost your confidence. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember, success in OET reading Part C is within your reach. Keep practicing, stay determined, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep improving your knowledge and skills. Good luck on your OET journey. Bye for now.